Introducing the AEG 8000 series washing machines. Protecting the fibers of your clothes. Wash after wash. In traditional washing machines, detergents and softeners are not fully diffused before reaching the clothes. AEG's patented ErcoMix technology is unique. Water is first pre-mixed with detergent and then with softener before it enters the drum, so that it's fully dissolved and activated. The dissolved mixture is evenly distributed, reaching, cleaning and protecting every thread, stitch and fiber. The results look fantastic. The ErcoPower program is ideal for daily loads of up to 5 kilograms, washing in under an hour without compromising performance or sustainability. Using the Plus Steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room, no fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Powerfully gentle, for deeper fiber cleaning and softer results, the AEG 8000 series washing machines.